Let me show you how you could potentially get a few grand free money on a crypto airdrop. It's not guaranteed, but it's free, takes 5 minutes. So go to your web browser and type in SUI wallet. And then you want to look at that second one down. So not the top one there, this second one here, this one just here. It's got the like a droplet. Click on that. And it should take you to this SUI wallet. And what you're going to do is you're going to download that. And it should bring you to this. So you click on get started. And then you're going to go to create a new wallet. I've already got a wallet, so I'm going to import an existing wallet. And then you should see something like this. Now, I've already claimed my free SUI. It's just a testnet, so it's not worth anything. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into something called staked here. So when you come into this, it will say something like AirDrop. Click on it and you will receive one of these SUI tokens. Now, all you have to do for the next few days, few weeks, is just play around with this. So you can go into the NFT bottom at the bottom. You can go into the D apps and you can go into these. And basically what you're doing is you're just testing this with the sort of the fake coins. And when it launches on mainnet, there's a very, very good chance that there's going to be an airdrop. So I've currently staked some. So you go into one of these, you can stake SUI, you choose which one of these you want to stake in. Let's try this Cypher Capital. It will take you to that app's website, making sure that we're on this test net, which is up in the top right corner here. So it brings you to the web page. You then just stake some of this SUI. Again, this is not costing you anything. It's not real money. You're just testing the network out. So I've got 0.013. So let's put 0.01. And then once you've staked it, you go back into your wallet. You can see that you've got currently staked. Now, when this is really running, you're going to see the APIs and things like that that you're really earning. But this is just testing their network out before they go to mainnet. And that's where you earn these airdrops from. Now, the last major airdrop was Arbitrum, and people were getting between $500,000 and $15,000 worth of free Arbitrum tokens because they were doing this process before the mainnet launched. So it's dead easy. Go to your web browser, use Chrome, download the SUI wallet. It's the one with the little raindrop. Claim your free tokens in there and then just have a play around with the network. Stake, go into the dApps, exchange tokens, use some of the liquidity pools, things like that. It doesn't cost you anything. It's not 100% guaranteed, but it's well worth a try for 5 minutes and no cost to you. Let me know if you're struggling. I'll try and help you.